Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. In today's exciting sprouting video, we'll be discussing about one of the best storage and survival foods out there, potato mint. So let's jump right into this video. Potato mint is such an easy plant to grow. It's very useful. It loves hot temperatures, it loves evenly moist soil, and it really doesn't require much. That's why I love potato mint. This is one of the plants that we'll call underrated because not a lot of people tend to know about them. And here's some interesting facts. One, their plants are not overly big like regular potatoes. They form small little ground cover like plants that only get about this big and about this tall. Super easy to grow and especially best for container gardening. Another thing is they form their roots and their tubers right at their base of their plant, but their roots don't go so deep that the tubers will form and get lost underneath the soil. If not, they'll be right there. So that's why they're best for container gardening, because their roots don't get so deep. Lastly, they're one of the easiest plants to propagate. That's why they're a survival food, because survival food, that category is to grow plants that you could grow mass of and get an abundant amount of food. And this is something that would fit great in that category, because super easy to propagate. You could just stick them in soil and they will grow and give you great loads of mini potatoes. That's another thing, the mini potatoes, they don't get big potatoes if not mini potatoes. So if you love mini potatoes, this is the plant for you. And they're just super easy to take care of and super easy to propagate and grow. And not only do they produce tubers, those tubers could be stored for some time. So now let me move the camera and talk to you guys about planting them. So Ultimate gardeners, I'm gonna be planting them in the Smart Pots Black Junior Raised Bed. They sent me this out to try out. I've been loving it so far, and I finally found something that I could grow here. So one thing I'm gonna be doing, but it's totally optional for you guys, is I'm gonna be putting some slow release fertilizer. I'm just doing this so it could sort of help along the plants, give them a little bit of feed. I would recommend this, but it's completely optional because this is a plant that doesn't require fertilizer, but it would do a bit more better if you give them a little bit of fertilizer. So super easy to plant. Here is the potato mint. I really like the foliage, super interesting. So I'm gonna make a deep enough well, like so. I'm gonna drop in some fertilizer, take the plant out, that nice root system, rough it up, and plant it in there. Super easy to do, and they will give off in no time. So let me go ahead and plant all of these. So Ultimate gardeners, all potato plants have been planted. It's gonna take no time at all for them to fill in this area beautifully. And I am super excited to give you guys a future update on this, because most definitely we will have a future update. So once again, this Smart Pot has been given to me by the Smart Pots company. I'm gonna leave a product link down below as well as all their media links. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. So Ultimate gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, I discussed with you guys about the potato mint. A few care tips really quickly is that they love full sun, so I would give them 6 to 7 plus hours of direct sunlight. They love evenly moist soil, so make sure you are out there every 2 to 3 days to make sure that soil is constantly moist. If not, give it a good drink of water. And number 3, they don't require any fertilizer or any pruning. You just plant them and let them do their thing until you see the plants die back, like completely die back. Then you could go ahead and go in there and harvest your delicious tubers. So that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.